All right, so tonight I'm gonna do some cubes of steak. We're gonna have breakfast with it. So I'm gonna go in first with this Brazilian steakhouse seasoning. And then with this roasted garlic and herb. So I'm trying to do like a play on the steak bites that you get from IHOP, and then some Worcestershire. So I'm doing like my little version of it. All right, then I'm gonna get this mixed up. So we have some leftover steak from yesterday, our little tin that I oiled up. Got some mushrooms and onions. So we have to be resourceful and not wasteful. So here's what we're gonna do. All right, we got our steak bites. We used 4 eggs, the onions, the mushrooms. Got it all whisked together in the pan, topped with cheese. That one is running over. Going to the oven, 350, probably about 15-20 minutes. Bam, they are out of the oven. They look so good. We're gonna give this a chance to cool before we pull them out. Look at that. This was the leftover sausage, onions, and mushrooms from our steak bites from yesterday. Oh yeah. My rendition on the little things from Starbucks. Don't that look good? Yes, it do. You want some?